If you're looking to boost your website conversions, then you need to know how to use Proof, the software that's quickly becoming a go-to for marketers and business owners alike. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage Proof for increasing conversions on your website in just a few easy steps. The first thing you should know is that Proof uses social proof to make your website more trustworthy. The principle behind this is simple. People are more likely to take action when they see others doing the same. Proof helps you display real-time notifications about what other visitors are doing on your site, such as signing up, making a purchase, or downloading your content. This gives potential customers the confidence to do the same. To start using Proof, first sign up for an account and set up your website. Once you're in, you can choose from various types of notifications like pop-ups, banners, or even a live activity feed that shows off your recent signups, purchases, or other key actions. You can tailor these notifications to align with your business goals. If you're a retailer, for example, you can display notifications that let people know how many items are left in stock, creating a sense of urgency. The beauty of Proof is in its customization. You can create notifications that fit seamlessly into your website's design. Whether you're targeting specific products, services, or actions on your site, Proof allows you to fine-tune each notification, ensuring that it's not just helpful, but also on brand. Now let's talk about integrating Proof with your other marketing tools. One of the biggest advantages of Proof is that it integrates with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and many others. This means you can easily sync your Proof notifications with your email marketing campaigns, CRMs, and analytics software. This integration helps you monitor the impact of your social proof efforts and tweak them in real time to optimize conversions. Another key feature of Proof is its ability to segment visitors based on their behavior. For example, you can show different messages to first-time visitors versus repeat customers. This targeted approach helps ensure that the right message reaches the right person at the right time, increasing the chances of conversion. Proof also gives you the ability to run A/B test, which is crucial for maximizing the impact of your social proof strategy. You can test different notification styles, content, or timings to see which ones perform best. A/B testing allows you to make data-driven decisions, refining your strategy for maximum impact and ROI. If you're looking to set up Proof for your site, you can start using it for free through the link in the description below. With this exclusive link, you'll also receive some amazing bonuses that will help you get the most out of the software. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced marketer, this is a great opportunity to try Proof with no risk. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to use Proof for increasing website conversions. As we wrap up, remember that using social proof effectively can transform your website's performance. From real-time notifications to A/B testing, Proof gives you the tools you need to build trust and boost your conversions. And remember, through the link below, you can take advantage of an extended free trial so you can start seeing the benefits right away. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your website into a conversion powerhouse.